Walt with People's Auction Company. Lot number 60 is a 2006 Bluebird Vision handicap equipped bus. 219,933 miles. Was driven to auction. Body appears to be in good shape. Does have one small crease on the other side. I'll show you. The interior is in good shape. This one does have the adjustable seats because it is mobility equipped. The lift does work. And if I didn't say it already, the tires are in good shape. There's our small crease. It's got a Caterpillar C7 diesel engine on it. The hood does need a little repaint. It's got some heel going on. Again, lot number 60.